Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete chat history in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on account from the bottom side right here. Click on account. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top side right here. So click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on general. Take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here. Click on clear chat history. And this is going to pump up. Are you sure you want to delete all chat record? Simply click on yes. And with that, all your chat history is going to be clear up in Alipay. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.